Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make juicy burgers in an air fryer. First, select ground beef with an 80/20 fat ratio. This ensures maximum juiciness. Next, form your patties about 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. This size helps them cook evenly. Finally, season both sides generously with salt and pepper or your preferred burger seasoning blend to build a fantastic flavor foundation. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place your seasoned burger patties in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook them for 8 to 12 minutes total, flipping each patty halfway through the cooking time. This ensures even browning and a perfectly cooked burger. To guarantee a juicy burger, always use a meat thermometer to confirm an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. A crucial tip is to resist the urge to press down on the patties while they cook. This keeps all those delicious juices locked inside. Once cooked, let your burgers rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in an incredibly moist and flavorful bite. For an extra touch, add a slice of your favorite cheese during the last 2 minutes of cooking, allowing it to melt perfectly over the hot patty. While your burgers rest, lightly toast your burger buns in the air fryer or on a pan for a minute or two. Finally, assemble your delicious air-fried burgers with your preferred fresh toppings, like lettuce, tomato, and onion, and your favorite condiments. Enjoy your perfectly juicy creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.